Welcome to Roam Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with using this product or service. Today, we're taking a look at mtb.com. This website serves as a hub for mountain biking enthusiasts, providing a wealth of resources and information related to the sport. Navigating to mtb.com opens up a world of trails, gear reviews, and community forums. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this platform offers something for everyone interested in hitting the dirt. The site's clean and organized layout makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. From the latest news in the mountain biking world to detailed product reviews and comparisons, mtb.com strives to keep riders informed and up to date. They delve into the technical aspects of bikes, components, and riding techniques, giving you the knowledge you need to improve your skills and maintain your equipment. Beyond the technical side, mtb.com fosters a sense of community among mountain bikers. It provides a platform for riders to connect, share their experiences, and discover new trails. This emphasis on community building enhances the overall experience, creating a space where passion for mountain biking is shared and celebrated. With its comprehensive collection of articles, reviews, and forum discussions, mtb.com stands as a valuable online resource for anyone looking to immerse themselves in the exciting world of mountain biking. So, if you're a fan of two wheels and dirt trails, be sure to check out mtb.com. You might just discover your next favorite trail or piece of gear. It's a great resource for staying informed about the latest advancements and trends in mountain biking technology, so don't miss out. Remember, all the links are down below, so go ahead and explore.